In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pass TestGorilla assessment. So with this, I will show you some options that you can use. So as you can see, TestGorilla have tests for cognitive, technical, personality, or culture, as well as language proficiency tests. We also have situational, mechanical, spatial, and the likes. So typically, to actually pass this, you need to actually go over and then review. So here are some examples. We having here a reasoning sample question. You just need to answer it. You can utilize the help of AI to help answer this. But first, answer this first and see if your answer is correct. So to actually pass on TestGorilla, usually it involves a webcam, so you need to be presentable as well, and you need to be not using AI at the same time when you're actually using this as well. So you will just use AI to guide you, but not on the actual exam. So head over and then utilize these tips in order to go over and pass. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.